Hey, 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 boys and girls, how are you? Fine? Excellent. Today we are going to continue practicing reading. Here we go. Open your book to page number 47, reading lesson 3. Okay, check your understanding. Read the statements helps match the columns to complete the sentences by drawing lines. In order to do this, you have to back, okay, to the reading comprehension, okay? Yes, about Apollo and me, part 2, okay? And you are going to find the answers. Okay, for example, Neil Armstrong said, what he said, big blue and white and beautiful, was recovered from the ocean, weight of different cheese. That's one small step for man on giant leap for mankind. And put rocks in sacks, any cheese on the moon in the Columbia. Okay, in order to find this question, you have to back, okay, to the reading part. Okay, I know that you are going to do an excellent job. But if you have any question about this homework, let me know by email or by platform. Okay, when you finish this part, please draw your own space suit in the box below. Choose the color, pattern, and design. Use the image from the text as a guide, but give it your unique twist. Okay, you can use these images. Okay, in order to design your own suit special. Okay, okay. This is our homework, okay? And if you have any question, don't hesitate in to contact me. Okay? Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye bye.